Lucy Fallon has reportedly grown close to her Don't Rock the Boat co-star Joe Weller following her reported breakup from her long-term beau. The former Coronation Street star and her boyfriend Tom Leach reportedly called time on their 4-year relationship after lockdown drove them apart. Lucy is currently filming for the upcoming TV show, where a bunch of famous faces are challenged with rowing 500 miles from Land's End to John O'Groats. And behind the scenes, Lucy and Joe have reportedly formed a bond, but their closeness reportedly hasn't gone unnoticed by their Don't Rock the Boat co-stars. A source claimed to The Sun, Lucy and Joe clicked from day one of filming on Don't Rock the Boat. Read more related articles. It's a tight-knit group, but Lucy and Joe had a spark. Everyone noticed it. They've been hanging out together during free time from filming and have shared pictures of each other on their Instagram stories. But it seems Lucy's blossoming friendship with Joe has raised a few eyebrows. Read more related articles. And Joe cryptically hinted has harboring feelings for a co-star on his podcast Fallon. Joe said, "There is someone that I fancy from the group that I'm doing this TV show with. We're away for 3 weeks, and we'll see what happens." Reports of a rumored romance come as Lucy shared a cryptic message on her Instagram, which simply read, "If you don't laugh, you'll cry." Daily Star Online has contacted Lucy's spokesman for comment.